Hi guys, so today we will be seeing how to set up a simple text-to-speech tool using Python 3. For that, prerequisite will be just Python 3 installed in a Linux setup. I'll be using Ubuntu as usual. And for this thing, you need two things. One library is this pyttsx3 and another tool is eSpeak that will be installed in your Linux machine. And we'll just see the code here. So it will be using the TTS engine over here, and over here you can set the speed and the volume of the engine. Basically, the guy will be speaking it, and post that whatever text like you need to feed in, that will be fed during its runtime, and then it will speak it out loud. So it will run, wait, and it will exit afterwards. Simple. So for that, let's try it out. Let's see that. Python 3, the file name. So it will run it. Hello, everyone. Okay.
Hello everyone.
Yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys.